This is Nancy. Now we are in Nanjing GS-Mach extrusion company factory. Today we will test run our extruder machine for a customer in Poland. This customer uses PPS pellets and magnetic powder as raw materials. The PPS pellets will be fed into extruder through the main feeder, and the magnetic powder will be fed into the extruder through the side feeder. Both the main feeder and side feeder use the dorsal. This twin screw extruder is GS35 model. Capacity is 30 to 50 kg per hour. The screw diameter is 35 mm. Length and diameter ratio is 40. Because the magnetic powder is prone to wear the screws, we use WR5 material producing the screw elements. This material has excellent wear resistance and good toughness, even when in direct contact with metals. Then this pelletizer, we use air cooling die-phase hot cutting system. The material will be cut into granules here, and then through the cyclone for cooling. Then through the vibration sieve screening. Finally, storage in the silo. This is a whole-line machine to produce the PPS pellets and magnetic powder compound. Now we will start to run our machine to show you.